So now let's go back and look at the import messages menu item. So now we can import these messages back into our messages. So let's click My Computer and browse. And we can go to our Mirth messages. So we can click the first one and let's send that through. Let's get rid of all our filtering. Search. So now we can see that we only have the destination and the sent message. This is because we only got our destinations and our sent messages. Also, if we wanted to get messages that are stored on our server, we can also do that. You just need to specify at what location your messages are in your server. So this is going to be in our configuration.